Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing the analysis from the daily time frame to 5 minutes time frame, and we'll be sharing you the support and resistance levels in all the time frame analysis. Before going forward with the analysis, we'll check the DXY, the dollar index, what is the status, what is the trend in DXY. Then we'll look at the Monday's economic calendar. Then we'll start with the analysis. I'm in hourly time frame in DXY, and when we look at the price action in DXY, you can notice that it was in a very nice downtrend and it has taken support on this green level, which is around 95.200. And also you can notice that there is a black line. This is a trend line from the previous price action, and currently it has taken support on this trend line. So it has taken support on the previous support level and also on the trend line. So when we look at the overall price action, it is still in a bullish trend. Although it was trading on a bearish trend, it had only retraced to this support level or the trend level. So currently the price has bounced back and taken resistance at the resistance level of 95.67. So if the bullish trend continues, the next level of resistance is going to be around 96.25, and if the price action manages to break this trend line or the support line, next level of support is going to be around 94.66. Let us look at the economic calendar. So Monday will be 7th February. In Australian dollar, we have the medium impact newses coming at 3 o'clock in the early morning. Then when we come down, again at 6 o'clock in the morning, we have a medium impact newses. And for Swiss francs also, we have a medium impact newses. So we have medium impact newses for Swiss francs, euro and British pound coming around 12 to 12:30. As we come down again, at 9:15 we have medium impact news for euro. And we don't have any big newses for US dollar. Let us start with the analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. We already know that the currency pair is trading within a symmetric triangle pattern, and previously the price action has tested this resistance line of symmetric triangle pattern and retraced and took support on the trend line of the daily time frame, and currently the price action is in a very nice bullish trend. So as long as this trend line is holding, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Previously the price action was trading within a channel pattern and gave breakout from this channel pattern and started its bearish trend and took support on this trend line from the daily time frame and bounced back. So overall, when we look at the price action, it was on a bullish trend, little bit of retracement, again it started its bullish trend. So overall, the price action within the symmetric pattern is in a bullish trend. And these are all the support and resistance levels within these symmetric patterns in daily time frame. And currently the price action is trading between this resistance level of 1816 and support level of 1799. It has momentarily breached this support line, but only shadow has been formed. So the confirmation on the bearish trend reversal has not come yet. Still the body of the candle has formed above this support line. So we can still expect the bullish trend to continue when we look at the price action from the daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I'm in hourly time frame now. When we look at the price action in hourly time frame, we already know that the price action previously traded within a bullish channel pattern in daily time frame and gave breakout from this support level of the bullish channel pattern and retraced and took support on this trend line from the daily time frame. And again when we notice the price action, it is still in a very nice bullish trend and it is trading within a bullish channel pattern. As long as the price action is trading within this bullish channel pattern, the green color bullish channel pattern, which is from the daily time frame, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. But when we look at the price action more closely, it has tested this resistance level of 1816 and the price action has bounced back. So this resistance area between 1810 and 1816 will be acting as a very strong resistance for the current price action, and the price range, every time when it tests these levels, you can notice that it has bounced back, and on the downside also you can notice that it has not retraced that much. So we can expect the price action to consolidate within these ranges. As long as this resistance level is holding, we cannot expect the bullish trend to start. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values marked in white color boxes will be acting as a support and resistance levels for the price action in hourly time frame, and currently the price action has tested this support line or the trend line from the bullish channel pattern and started its bullish trend. Currently the price action is still in a bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. So I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1816 and 1810. This area will be acting as a very strong resistance for the 30 minutes time frame also. Only when the price action breaches this resistance area, we can expect the bullish trend to start. But overall we know the price action is still trading within a bullish channel pattern. So if the bullish channel pattern needs to continue, it has to break this resistance level. And we have a strong support line running over here from the daily time frame. So even if the price action bounces back, we can expect it to take support on this trend line or the support line and to bounce back, because overall we know that it is in a bullish channel. And I have drawn the mid line also. Every time when it crosses this mid line, you can see that the price action immediately bounces back. The price action couldn't sustain below this mid line. So strong bullishness is still remaining in this currency pair. If the price action fails to break this resistance level, we can expect a sideways market to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. The values within the red color boxes are the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. It is a range bound market for now. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. So when we analyze the price action in 5 minutes time frame, it was on a very nice bullish trend. You can draw trend lines like this. It was taking support on this trend line, and you can also notice that it was on a very nice bullish trend, tested this resistance line of the bullish channel and retested on this trend line, again bounced back and retested on this resistance line of the bullish channel pattern. So it formed a double top pattern. So double top pattern means trend reversal. From the past price action also we know that this currency pair always makes a double top pattern, then makes a trend reversal. So you can wait for the price action to make double top pattern, then go on a opposite direction trade. So previously it was in a bullish trend. Once the price action bounces back from this resistance level, you can go on a bearish side trades. So you have to understand the price action before entering into the trade. Otherwise you will make a huge losses. This movement was due to the news. So again the price action took support on this support line of the bullish channel pattern and retraced back to its previous trading levels. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this red color boxes are the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. In 5 minutes time frame, the price action is looking very bullish. Wait for it to continue its bullishness. I am expecting it to take resistance at the level of 1810, then a trend reversal to happen, because previously also this was acting as a very strong support and then it breached. Expecting this level to act as a resistance. And looking at the Monday's economic calendar, there is no big news for US dollar. So we can expect a less volatility in US dollar currency pairs. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.